Good morning, students. Let us now see the voltage ratings of SCR. First one is working peak forward voltage VDWM. The maximum voltage which the device can withstand in forward blocking mode is called working peak forward voltage VDWM. Second is repetitive peak off state forward voltage VDRM. This is the repetitive peak transient voltage that a thyristor can withstand in off state in forward bias condition. We can understand with the help of this graph also. So here a graph is drawn between voltage and time. So this is the forward voltage, this side is the reverse voltage. Here this is VDWM, VDRM, VDSM, and the reverse side is VRWM, VRSM, VRRM. So now we will see the next. This is the two voltages, working peak forward voltage VDWM and peak repetitive peak off state forward voltage VDRM. Next is non-repetitive peak off state forward voltage VDSM. This is the instantaneous non-repetitive value of the off state voltage that occurs across the thyristor in off state. Working peak reverse voltage VRWM. This is the maximum value of reverse voltage that occurs across thyristor in reverse biasing mode. Next is non-repetitive peak reverse voltage VRSM. It is the maximum transient reverse voltage that a thyristor can block in reverse direction. Sixth is repetitive peak reverse voltage VRRM. This is the maximum transient voltage across a thyristor which occurs repetitively in reverse biasing at specified temperature. Value of VRRM changes with the change in temperature. Next is gate trigger voltage. This is the maximum gate voltage to produce minimum gate current necessary for firing the thyristor. Next is on state voltage. It is the maximum value of voltage across thyristor in on state. Normally it lies between 1 volt to 1.5 volt. The next is forward dV by dt rating. This indicates the maximum rate of rise of anode voltage across thyristor that will not trigger the device. Next is voltage safety factor VF. To avoid damage to thyristor in normal operation, voltage is kept below the peak inverse voltage VRSM value of the device. The normal operating voltage and VRSM are related by the voltage safety factor VF, which is defined by VF is equal to VRSM divided by √2 multiplied by RMS value of the input voltage. This factor lies between 2 and 2.5. So these were the voltage ratings of the thyristor. Thank you so much for attending my lecture. Please share it with your friends.